How to remove glance on Android. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off or remove glance from your Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So if when you lock your Android or Samsung phone, you notice that the lock screen wallpaper changes every time, that's glance. So to turn it off, first unlock your Android phone. Then we need to open up the settings. So swipe up, find the settings app and select it. Once in the settings, scroll down and select wallpaper and style. And in here, your phone might have a little bit of a different settings. For me, it's going to be in change wallpapers. So select change wallpapers and then scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll see wallpaper services. So what we're looking for is wallpaper services. It may have been on this main screen for you. So scroll down and find it there. But for me, it's under change wallpapers. Once I get to wallpaper services, select it and then select none and then apply. So now when I lock my Samsung screen, you can see it's just the same background and it doesn't change every time. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.